house is just full of these flavors. So good. So good. We're gonna take it off the heat so we don't overcook our mussels. How's it going, guys? Today we are gonna be making some delicious oyster mushroom. We have our mushrooms here. We have some asparagus, onions. I also have some scallops and some mussels that we're going to be adding in. Olive oil, coconut milk, some garlic, cilantro, tomato, garlic, tomato paste, and some basil. This is the first time we're making this meal for our family, so we're all going to try it out together. And all of the combination of all of these ingredients is going to make a really delicious meal. We're going to eat this over white rice. So let's get started, and I'm going to start chopping these mushrooms up so we could get everything on the pan and get going. We're going to start making our Thai curry sauce. I'm going to start with some olive oil and some garlic, some onions, and some fresh garlic that we chopped up. Really tiny. The top of our oyster mushroom, I chopped it up into small tiny cubes. And we have some tomato. I'm going to add in some tomato paste. I think this is a lot of tomato paste. I'm going to add in like a teaspoon of tomato paste. Curry. A little bit of garam masala, just like a tiny bit. Some curry. And some, what is that, Amy?
Gochujang.
Okay, I'm going to give this a quick mix. Get all of that flavored, mix them together. That is looking good. Good. What do you think, Jay?
Looks good.
Awesome. Our oyster mushrooms are all finished. Yep. Getting some color on there. Okay, we need to start adding some salt. Himalayan salt I'm using. Some crushed pepper. Some black pepper. A little dash of Obe seasoning because we're putting so much seafood in here. I want some of that seasoning in there. And some turmeric. This is fresh grown turmeric from our backyard that we. Here you go, buddy.
Thank you.
And we're gonna give that a quick mix. Before adding it, Jay, you need to sear the scallops as well, honey.
All right.
So you could get that in your pan, some olive oil. And now we're gonna add in some, oh my gosh, I can't do it. I can't do it. I'm gonna need you, Ayden. I'm gonna need you.
Okay.
Okay. Coconut milk. All right, just like half a can. That's it. And some water. I'm also gonna add in some basil. I'm gonna leave them on this. I'm gonna pull them out. Just like a quick. I don't need to really chop it up. I was gonna put it in just the way it is, but I'll just tear it apart so it infuses all those flavors in there. Give that a quick stir. And we're gonna let this just reduce down for a bit before we add in our other ingredients. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add in our mushroom. It was seared, but it still needs to be cooked all the way, so we could go ahead and put that back in. Right? You agree, JJ?
Yep.
Some of these have some nice sear on them. It's smelling really good in here. Yeah, just, I would say, deglaze the pan with some white wine. That way we get all of the scallop flavors to put in our curry pit sauce here. Alright, Jay, let's deglaze that pan. It's getting burned. Alright, let's go ahead and add that deglazing gravy into our sauce. This way we can get all the goodness from the oyster in here. Making our flavors more rich. I think we should be doing a taste test, Jay. What do you think?
Almost time.
I think I'm ready for a taste test.
Don't burn your mouth. Don't burn your mouth.
No, try not to. Just a little. Oh wow. You gotta try it. It's so good. So good with that kick of spiciness on the back of my throat. I think we need a little drop of salt. Ooh, reaching across. A little bit more salt, I feel like. It is good to taste your food while you're cooking. This way, whatever, spices you're missing, you can add it in. More spice?
More hotness.
No, buddy. I think we have enough hotness in there.
It's not hot.
I think our mushrooms are cooked. Time to add in our mussels. I don't want to put if there's any water in the back there. I don't want it to get in. Okay, added our mussels in. Oops, that was a lot of noise there. And we're gonna add back our scallops in.
That smells so freaking good.
We just had a tasting without you. It was so good. I can't wait to eat.
The house smells so good with that.
Oh my gosh,
Literally.
that's good. And I should say, like, for me and Jay, these are like some recipes we've never made before, right?
Yeah.
So everything is new to us and new to you guys, hopefully. Hopefully you're trying it and enjoying it, and let us know what you think. But I can't wait. Can't wait to dig in. Yeah, those mussels are already opening up. I'm gonna chop up some more fresh basil to pour on it right now. Some fresh scallions. We have some fresh basil. And a little bit of cilantro, not too much, but we don't want to overpower our taste. But definitely that fresh basil is gonna make such a big difference in the bringing all those flavors together, and the lime, right? Full circle. And a little quick rinse. I think that's it. It's time to take it off the heat and let this sit for a minute